The word Kathak is derived from Katha, which literally means storyteller. At first, Kathak was very similar to the Bharatnatyam. The dance form underwent a drastic transition around the 15th century under the Mughal influence, which gave it a distinct Hindu Muslim texture. It gradually got altered from a temple dance to a courtly entertainment. It is traditionally performed by both men and women. The Kathak recital commences with the invocation to God, followed by Tatkar, which consists of a series of successive rhythmic designs danced to the drum. Kathak is based on bhav, raga, and tal. Its compositions are based on the Hindustani classical music. The dancer usually sings the compositions, which is based on the Krishna legends as well as the Puranic episodes, and interprets the stories through abhinay, facial expressions, and postures. The excitement in a typical Kathak performance is the Jugalbandi, which is the interactive and competitive play between the dancer and the tabla player. Kathak is fundamentally a solo performance with a strong emphasis on footwork and rhythm. The language used for narration could be Hindi, Hindustani, or Urdu. The costume includes a typical tight-fitting chudidars worn under angarkas, achkans, or kurtas, with payals wound firmly around the ankles. Jaipur, Lucknow, and Banaras are the famous gharanas of Kathak. Famous exponents from Lucknow Gharana are Kalka Prasad, Binda Deen, Shambhu Maharaj, Lachu Maharaj, Achan Maharaj, Birju Maharaj, Munalal Shukla, and Reba Vidyarthi. From Jaipur Gharana, Roshan Kumari, Mohan Rao Kalyanpurkar, Durga Lal, and Rajendra Gangani. From Banaras Gharana, Gopi Krishna, Sitara Devi, Sunaina Hazarilal, Uma Sharma, Kumudini Lakhia, Maulik Shah, Ishira Parikh, and Nilima Azim. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. Do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.